All right, hey, I'm back at DMP Sports Cards. It's been a while. I feel like it's been a while since a new product came out. I know that Team Canada came out last week or so, but it's not available in the U.S. and it's very difficult to get a hold on. Thankfully, this week Upper Deck came out with Black Diamond. It's a staple in the Upper Deck line, and I always look forward to getting Black Diamond.
The bonus pack looks exactly like the rest of the packs.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, I had to search mine. There it is, right there.
Is that a bonus pack? Oh my goodness, you would never have known.
Yep. I thought I got shorted when I opened the box and I thumbed through all the packs.
Alright, well, looks like we have the ice cards. Sergei Bobrovsky, Tyler Ennis, PK Subban, Mike Green, and $4.99 Chris Brown.
$9.99.
Oh, sorry, $9.99. $9.99.
Acetate rookie.
Can't read backwards.
Which I would imagine there's probably going to be a lot of the high-end guys at a 99 this year because of the double draft class.
Yeah, absolutely. We have our single diamonds. This is what the standard base card looks like this year.
Very typical.
And it's all base. Well, nope. Quad diamond. Don't want to miss that. Is he in his all-star gear?
Yep. Patrick Kane.
I forget, you gotta look really closely at the diamonds. This was an all single diamond pack. Triple diamond, Ron Francis. You know, these black diamond cards have that same foil look at each and every year. Double diamond, Milan Hajduk. And of course you'll see the review today. I'll leave a link down below this video. Gabriel Landeskog, double diamond. And a rookie, triple diamond, Seth Jones. That's not a bad one. He got only 3 diamonds.
That's surprising.
I would have thought he would have been a quad. I like the rookie design. It looks sort of Transformer-ish to me. What's this? Jersey. Jordan Eberle. Kind of a cool
Yep, back to
design.
the puzzle cut thing again. And they'll have 4 different jerseys that you can put together to get the team logo.
Here's my other triple rookie, Jack Campbell for Dallas. Looks like I'm still looking for a quad rookie. Triple of Felix Potvin. Felix the cat.
Somebody was telling me that they were going to have like boxes with multiple quad rookie diamonds.
Oh, looks like another double jersey. Jamie Oleksiak. Oop, got a rookie gems quad of, I can't read backwards.
Zemgus Girgensons.
Quad though.
Yeah.
And a red.
Number to 100 probably.
Yeah, let's double check.
That's the thing about the rubies is it doesn't matter how many diamonds it is, they're all out of 100.
Well, this one's out of 150.
No, well, there you go. That's a double draft class requiring more versions.
Ryan Murphy, triple diamond. And triple of Gilbert Perrault. And we're down to our final column. Here's my quad. It is Michael Granlund. I feel like I got a lot of rookies already. Double of Corey Crawford. Another rookie. Sammy. I can't read his name backwards.
Sammy Vatanen. Or
Maybe it's because
Vatanen.
it's double rookie. Maybe there's just lots of rookies.
Well, yeah, I heard.
A lot more than last year. Halak. Double diamond. And something.
Acetate.
Uh,
Ranger.
Jamal Mayers. That's the guy you want from the Hawks.
Yeah, of all the Hawks you can get, that's the one you want.
It's the one you want. Former Shark, at least.
Yeah.
He's on the NHL Network.
So this is the championship rings set. Not numbered, apparently.
Yeah, let's see. Marian Gaborik. And number 1 card in the set and in our hearts, Logan Couture.
Everybody's favorite. I was talking to someone last night at dinner.
Yep.
And he's got a nickname in San Jose now. Loco.
Another quad. Valerie Nishkinen. Wow, this is a lot of rookies.
Yeah.
Um,
Better than average, or better than previous years. So
Yeah, I wonder if this was like odd, or is this how all the boxes are with just tons of rookies?
So you got 2 jerseys and an acetate ring card, plus a whole boatload of.
I had 2 quad rookies, a ton of
You got the ruby.
triples, and a ruby. So I don't know if this is just super loaded or if this was a different kind of box. I'll have to look it up. And of course, there was the acetate card.
So all in all, pretty good value for your $100 or
Yeah,
whatever.
not a bad value for sure. Look for the review down below. Thanks to DMP Sports Cards for filming, and I'll see you guys next time.